process of using classified ads to generate sales for any product, whether it be an original product or an affiliate product, is often oversimplified and discouraged. It requires you to use a small amount of words to communicate an important point, which will either make or break your ability to garner interest in the product in question. In most cases, supposed experts will discourage you from using classified ads because they themselves have never had much luck using them, not because classified ads aren't a viable method of advertising. So how can you use classified ads correctly to generate a considerable amount of traffic to your affiliate product sales page? The first step entails finding viable places to advertise. Again, many of the so-called experts will jump in and either tell you to use free sites or that free sites never work. Free sites can work, but you must use them carefully. For instance, if you want to generate traffic from sites that allow you to post free classifieds, you will have to find ones that actually receive traffic themselves. One example of a site that receives a massive amount of traffic, but also allows you to post classified ads for free is Craigslist. As long as you post the classified ads in the proper section, you can do it completely free of charge. Another place you can post free classified ads is Yahoo. Again, as long as it's on topic, you can post a classified ad for whatever you want. Remember, with classifieds, you're not paying by the click. It's either free or you're paying for a certain period of time or impressions. So your goal should be to generate as many clicks as possible. So use words like cheap, free, proven, and shocking to draw attention to your ad. Once you have successfully drawn attention to your ad through the headline, you will then want to seal the deal by providing viewers with a reason to click through, provided that your affiliate product is something they would want to buy. You can do this by explicitly stating a quantifiable benefit in the second line of the classified ad, and then stating a crucial feature in the third line.